Everyone be quiet. Jimmy is sleeping. Great. Now, what? Sorry. Ding, 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 ding. I'm hungry. Jimmy is hungry. I'm hungry. So let's all say, go to the bath. What's that? Okay, I'll go to the kitchen. Bum, 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 bum. So he goes to the kitchen and what's this? Yeah, let's all say, it's a horse. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Yes, it's a cow. What's this? What's this? Sheep. Okay, what's this? Yes, it's a pig. Oh no, look at all the animals. They're in the kitchen. Oh, you want to catch the animals? Okay, let's do a quiz and catch the animals. Wait a minute, I have an idea. Let's all be animals. Okay, let's be animals. So, let's see. I want to be I know. I want to be a cow. I want to be a cow. Moo. What do you want to be?
Cow.
Okay, so you say, I want to be a cow. Oh, you want to be a cat? Okay, here.
Thank you.
Good. Remember this song? I want to be a, wait, a horse. Okay. A sheep. Here you are. Welcome. A rabbit. Okay. A dog. Okay. A hamster. Okay. Very good. You're welcome. Now, we are all animals. Okay. So let's all say hello. Hello. Let's stand up. We're going to walk around and say hello to other animals, okay? So, for example, bum, 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 bum. Hello, dog. Very good, okay? So let's go and let's walk around. Walk, 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 and stop. Find another animal. Bum. Hello, rabbit. Great. Let's change. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, hello. Hello, sheep. Very good. Okay, ready? Change. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, hello, cat. Oh, hello, horse. Cow. Good. Very good. Hello, cat. Moo moo. Hello. Okay, let's all sit down.